Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can check and monitor the CPU as well as RAM usage of Firefox. For example, if you have multiple tabs open on Firefox and now you would like to learn or find out how much CPU and RAM these tabs and websites you're on or at are using. So let us dive right into it. Launch Mozilla Firefox and for example, guys, if you hover your mouse over the given tab like here or here, usually, at least on other web browsers like Google Chrome or Opera, you should see also the MB of the RAM that is currently being used by the given open tab or website. That is not the case here on Firefox, as you can see, so you will need to find a different way. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into these three lines in the top right, and after that, hover your mouse over More Tools, or even better, click into More Tools. And after that, access the Firefox Task Manager. It works pretty much the same way as a task manager on your computer. You may access it also by pressing the shortcut Shift Escape. And after that, you'll be redirected to that list of tabs that are currently open, as well as all processes associated to Firefox, like these tabs here, for instance, and so on and so forth. And here to the right, guys, you will see also the memory as well as the CPU that is currently being used by Firefox itself, as well as all associated tabs and processes here, for instance. So like 335 MB for Firefox for this year, and 309 for extensions, and or the CPU, for example, 17%, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you check and monitor the CPU and RAM usage via the process manager or tab manager on Firefox. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.